What's good, YouTube? I'm going to be showing you guys how to vinyl wrap your car roof today. We're going to be using my 2016 Mustang. I'm going with a 3M gloss black vinyl wrap, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to do this step-by-step tutorial. Hope you guys enjoy. Stay tuned. Thanks. So in order to do this, you are going to need some stuff. You're going to need a clay bar, rubbing alcohol, and a microfiber towel. Those are going to come in super handy because you do have to clean up the roof before you do get started on the vinyl wrap. This is what I got, just regular rubbing alcohol. You can get the 50% or more. That's currently what I just have right now. And then I also got this right here for the clay bar. You don't really need all the stuff. All you need is just the clay bars, but I couldn't find it anywhere else, so I just bought the whole thing. But this is all you're really gonna need. So the first thing I'm gonna have to do is just pretty much clean the surface of the roof. What I have to really get into is just clean the old glue or goo, whatever you want to call it, from the last wrap. Really coming off, so it was a struggle. I'm gonna do the first layer of just cleaning it up. I'm just gonna use a clay bar right here, and then pretty much just water and clay bar would be the first step, and then I'll move on to the next step.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
As you guys can see, I pretty much finished clay barring the whole roof. It's all done. It's just wet. I'm gonna use a towel to wipe it down, and I'm gonna get started on the rubbing alcohol.
I'm so in love with you. You got me down again.
Now the whole roof is done. Pretty much what I'm gonna do is just get in the vinyl wrap and place it on top, and then see what I have to cut out and get started from there. Order a 3M vinyl wrap from eBay. It is a genuine vinyl wrap from 3M, and the cool part about it, it comes with these tools right here that can help you pretty much put on your vinyl wrap. It makes it a lot easier, especially if you need like cutting or stuff like that. This is the most important tool that's gonna help you tuck in your vinyl. Everything is done. All I need to do is pretty much just put the vinyl wrap in on top of the roof, and then just pretty much cut out whatever extras there. So pretty much I laid down the vinyl. What I did was pretty much give an extra about 3-4 inches from where I'm gonna need to cut off, and then I also left about maybe a foot extra from in the front. That is gonna get cut off. It is all extra. I don't really need it. Is done. All I gotta do right now is just pretty much tuck the edges in and then start cutting. Everything is good right now. Looks very nice. I like the way it looks. I'll show you guys the end result. What I'm doing right now is just pretty much cut the vinyl and the extra edges right here. That's the easiest step that you're gonna need to do. What I would recommend is I have some tools, or what you could use is would be pretty much just like a small cutting blade or anything like that. That works just as good. much everything is done. Cutting is done. Everything is good. Let me show you guys what it looks like. It looks really good, honestly, in my opinion, for 50-60 bucks compared to like when you go to like other people, it's like 200-250 bucks. You can do this at home. It's very easy. All you need is just pretty much you and a friend. This is what it looks like. It looks very nice. It's stuck in really good. I like it a lot. And the other side. Yeah, I know this is a little bit dark, but this is pretty much what it looks like at night. It's pretty nice from back here. For 40-50 bucks, you could do this at home. It'll be a lot easier for you. I also wrapped this black, but that's just for fun. Thanks for watching. Thank you guys for watching. If you enjoyed the video or found it very helpful, smash the like button, subscribe if you're new,